Hi students, this is Ignacio Alanis. I'm the Director of Biomedical Engineering here at DHR Health. I have been in the biomedical engineering HTM field for over 30 years. Currently been at DHR Health for over 15 years and became the Biomed Director about 4 years ago. I now received my associate's degree from TSTC Harlingen. I also have a certificate in electronics servicing and HTM leadership certificate. The requirements for a biomed engineering technician is technical and problem-solving abilities, mechanical aptitude and good hand-eye coordination, attentive to detail, good communication skills, and ability to work as a team. Your biomed duties would be performing preventative maintenance on medical equipment, which is repairing medical equipment. Secondly, corrective maintenance, repairing broken items. And then also you'll be performing incoming medical equipment, installation of medical equipment coming into the facility, and also equipment upgrades. Samples of medical equipment you will be repairing as a biomed would be ECG monitors, heart monitors, defibrillators, dialysis machines, anesthesia machines, infant warmers, incubators, laboratory equipment, and radiology equipment. And samples of testing equipment that you would need to use to repair that equipment would be voltmeters, oscilloscopes, safety analyzers, defibrillator analyzers, and phantoms. Professionals that interact with me on a daily basis would be people from administration, doctors, nurses, department directors and supervisors, CNAs, and a lot of the department people that work there at the hospital, and some vendors also. And after you receive your degree, you can probably work at hospitals, medical equipment manufacturers, and third-party vendors. And this is what my normal day looks like. Usually when I come in, I do rounds in the hospital. I also check my CMS, which is computer maintenance software. I look for any work orders that people have put in from the night before and assign them to my techs. I have 10 technicians in my facility, and I assign work orders to them. I also do timesheets for the staff, and I help the technicians go around looking for broken equipment in the hospital. And I help them throughout the day, checking anything that looks broken or is broken. And then also attend daily meetings throughout the day when needed. For the demonstration, I brought an ECG monitor and a patient simulator. This is an ECG monitor. You'll be working on equipment like this. And some of these waveforms here, we use a patient simulator like this one in order to simulate a patient. So anything that hooks up to this monitor right here, you would use a simulator like this. So you'll be using different type of test equipment throughout your career to fix medical equipment, and not only ECG monitors, but any other dialysis machines, any anesthesia machines, anything that we work on. Helpful tips for students interested in biomed. For students in high school students, I would recommend taking computer courses in high school, taking any courses with computer networking, and also any mechanical, electrical, and pneumatic courses would be helpful for this type of field. And if you like to work with your hands and like to play around with equipment, tearing it apart, even at home, if you have a radio or something that you want to work on, you like taking it apart and fixing it, putting it back together, I think this would be a good course for you to take as far as biomed engineering goes. Usually when you go into the biomed field, you'll have a Tech 1, Tech 2, Tech 3, a supervisor, and a director. Usually you have those 5 people that take care of the whole hospital. So in order to get those, usually as a Tech 1, you'll be entry level. It'll take you like a year to 3 years to become a BMed 1. To jump to a BMed 2 would be like from 3 to 5 years. BMed 3 would be anywhere from 5 to 7 years. And then you can become a supervisor after like 7 years of experience. And then after like 10 years or more, you can become a director, and you can work, like I was saying, in whether it be in a hospital, manufacturer, medical equipment manufacturer, or also a third-party vendor. Thank you for your time, and I hope you enjoyed this.
Up next, you will hear